Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a VW Golf rear door panel. First, gather your essential tools, including a plastic trim removal kit and a Torx screwdriver. Begin by gently prying off the small plastic cover situated behind the interior door handle. Once that is removed, you will find a Torx screw. Carefully unscrew this to prepare for the next steps in the process. Next, focus on the window switch panel. Using your plastic trim removal tool, gently pry up the entire window switch assembly. Once it's loose, carefully disconnect the electrical connector attached to the back of the switch. You might discover one or two more screws hidden underneath this panel. Make sure to remove these as well to fully free the components. Now, with all screws removed, it's time to detach the main door panel. Start at the bottom edge, using your trim tool to carefully pry the panel away from the door frame. You will hear the plastic clips releasing. Work your way around the entire perimeter. Once all clips are free, lift the panel straight upwards to clear the window channel, then disconnect any final electrical connections or door cables. Before reassembly, take a moment to inspect the door panel and all the plastic clips for any signs of damage. Store the panel in a safe place to avoid scratches or bending. When you are ready to reinstall, simply reverse the steps, ensuring all clips align correctly and all electrical connectors are securely reattached. Finally, test your window and door lock functions to confirm everything works perfectly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.